The DPWH orders private contractors now undertaking reconstruction works on damaged infrastructure in Central Visayas and the construction of temporary shelters in Eastern Visayas to employ local labor. Noel Perfecto reports.
46 contractors are needed by the DPWH for the immediate construction of the much-needed bank houses or temporary shelters for the use of thousands of families displaced due to Typhoon Yolanda. Undersecretary Romeo Momo for Operations says that the directive personally came from the Public Works Secretary himself after deploying 4 regional directors to help the search for contractors who would aid in the government's project.
May mga areas pa rin na wala pa tayong contractor. We need more than 46 contractor actually in the ground to construct 5 units per classroom, per per contractor. And dapat kasi tapusin namin ito by December 24. So 5 bank houses per contractor, 46 of them. Ang aming estimate, mga 230 bank houses matapos namin within December 24.
With the newly identified sites in Tacloban, more units of temporary shelters or bank houses will be built. According to Yusek Momo, construction of 230 units of bank houses in Tacloban City, Basay Samar, Ormoc City, Palo Leyte, Marabut Samar, Gian, Hernani, and Giporlos in Eastern Samar continues.
Hopefully, makarating lahat ng mga kontraktor na inimbita natin na papuntahin doon sa Tacloban. Hindi lang naman Tacloban ito, hindi lang Leyte, kundi Eastern Samar kasama. Each contractor, if we have 46 contractors, each contractor should be allotted 5 bank houses each. No?
Included in Secretary Singson's order is the creation of job opportunities for locals.
Mga ginamit natin, taga doon din sila nakatira.
Okay, so ano mahalaga dyan, ma'am? Babayaran sila daily?
Sabihin natin sa mga contractors ngayon na nag-undertake ng aming mga proyekto na kung kinakailangan nagbayaran sila ng daily para naman may pangtustos sila sa pang-araw-araw nila.
DPWH is trying to finish construction of bank houses before December 24 this year to reach a target of 230 for the People's Television. I'm Noel Perfect.